wanna stop it, but I know my mind ain't even close to where my heart is. I should let go, I should be open. My troubled water's deep, yeah, deep like an ocean.
Swimming in your ocean, my chest is pounding, cause this love is too deep and my heart is drowning for you. I'm sinking deep and I can't make a move. I'm way down with these feelings for you.
There's a million reasons why I should say no. If we cross the line, we can't go back to before. All I really know is I'm not ready for this. You're so much more to me than a risk.
Oh, every day you remind me I've been walking through the dark cause your love is blinding. You can shed some light if you take the time to realize my love has got years behind it.
Can't stop thinking how this love's taking me out of expectations, plans I'm making for you.
And every time you stop, I stop running from my heart. Love won't let me get too far. Losing patience, I've been waiting for you.
I've been waiting for you.
Mind is slipping, my heart is skipping. 30 beats per second, won't you take a listen for once? I know you got love for me, but I know that we're feeling love differently.
I can't deny what I'm feeling for you. It's been so long since I felt something true. I won't admit that I'm scared to jump in. Maybe this is magic, this is how love begins.
Let's not try to pretend we can be more than friends. I've been here from the start, and I'll be here to the end.
My heart is ready, but my mind says no. There's no way I can let you go.
Won't you make up your mind? Won't you follow your heart? Cause I'm following mine even if it tears me apart.
I'm done fighting, I'm done hiding. I'm inviting this love I feel for you. Can't stop thinking how this love's taking me out of expectations, plans I'm making for you.
And every time you stop, I stop running from my heart. Love won't let me get too far. Losing patience, I've been waiting for you. Every time you try to find the truth, I can't help but run right back to you. You've been on my mind, there's nothing new. Can we not pretend that this isn't real?